Hey Clean Beauty babes, welcome to February. In this video, we are going to do another foundation review video. You guys love it. It's one of my most popular videos. Thank you guys so much on the support of all of my foundation review videos. And just to reiterate, these are Green Beauty, clean, non-toxic foundations that I tend to review on my channel if you're new here. By the way, if you're new, welcome, subscribe if you like, and to all my old timers, thank you for sticking around. If you're new, I do have a playlist of all of my Green Beauty, clean beauty foundation videos that I've done already so far. I'll link it above. And also, I did a recap of all of the foundations that I reviewed in 2017. I did a whole entire recap video. I'll link that as well for you to check it out. Now let's get into it. So for today's foundation review, we are reviewing Valana Minerals. This is a black-owned, woman-owned makeup line. She offered samples, so that is what I ordered from her website. I ordered the samples. Her foundations come in 20 diverse shades, and she has two types of foundations. She has the Stardust, the Stardust Luxury Foundation, and that is the mineral foundation, the loose mineral foundation. And she also has the Premium Performance Cream Foundation, which is the cream foundation. And of course, I got both to try out for you guys. I plan on featuring black-owned companies for the month of February. Let's see how it goes, because I've been hunting, and to be honest, I haven't found as many as I would like to feature, but I'm still gonna try my best anyway. All right, let's get into the foundation. Oh, also, big shout outs. Wait a minute, let me find it. Big shout out to the subscriber Peace and Love 75. She was the one that actually commented on one of my videos and recommended that I try this company, so thank you very much. See, I do listen to you guys. This is like the third or fourth foundation that I have tried because of your recommendations, so continue to recommend. I might not get the videos out right away because, you know, money situation, I gotta pay for these things, and also time situation, I have a regular 9-to-5 job, but eventually I do get it done. So thank you, Peace and Love 75, for recommending this company to try. Now let's see what Valana Minerals is all about. I ordered 3 shades of each type of foundation, 3 in the Stardust and 3 in the cream foundation. Let's start with the Stardust. I ordered the shades Golden Bamboo, Golden Whisper, and Golden Sand. Golden Bamboo, okay, but it's kind of light. So this is Golden Whisper. Golden Sand. This Golden Bamboo is giving me ashy gray undertone. The middle one, which is Golden Whisper, is really golden. It looks like it could be this closest to my skin tone, but it's very light. And this last one, Golden Sand, is also giving me darker gray ashy undertone. So I would say the best choice for me to try right now will be the Golden Whisper, which is the one in the middle right here. Let me check out her website for a minute, because I mean, the shades are just, it threw me off. It's throwing me off, you guys. It's throwing me off a little bit. Yeah, so this is from the yellow undertones, which is what I have, so then that would make sense. I don't know why the first one up here and the bottom one down here is giving me gray ash, because this is, I'm checking out the website, it says that these colors are from the yellow undertones. Yeah, and these 3 are the 3 darkest shades in that yellow undertones category. So the verdict is out. We're just gonna go with, what is this middle one called? Golden Whisper, and roll with it, because it's the best one in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Premium Performance Cream Foundation. We're gonna test it out on the, not test it out, just try to find my sample shade. And the same exact colors are the same colors that I got in the cream foundation as well. I got Golden Bamboo, Golden Whisper, and Golden Sand. First one is Golden Bamboo, Golden Whisper. I surely put a lot. Why is it breaking up? Why is it breaking up on my skin? Okay, this one is definitely breaking up on my skin. Golden Sand. I don't know. The middle one does seem really yellow, which is Golden Whisper. It seems really yellow. But then, I don't know if you guys see it on camera, this bottom one down here, Golden Sand, it's giving me a bit of an ashy vibe. This one is really yellow. This one, Golden Bamboo, is possible, but it's still looking a little bit ash central to me. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, you guys, I made my decision. I had to stop, turn the camera off for a while, really look at it, because I was tempted to go with Golden Sand. You guys are probably not seeing it, but this one here, even though it looks good on camera, it is really ashy in person. So I'm just going to stick with the middle one and stick with Golden Whisper. So it'll be Golden Whisper on this side and Golden Whisper on this side. Now let's clean the face and apply everything. Even though this is the one that was breaking up when I was trying to sample test it, but to me, from rubbing it out compared to the others, this is the best option. Unless one of y'all could, like, you know, jump into the future somehow or jump into the present tense and somehow comment as I'm recording this to change it based on what you guys see in the camera. I don't think that's possible, but if it is, let me know. It definitely is just disappearing on my face. Okay, I kind of see something, but I kind of don't without width, so let me apply a little bit more. It is really, really yellow. This is the foundation. This is my natural skin with nothing applied. To be honest, I did find it a bit difficult to blend in because I can still see, even though it might look good on camera, in person, I can still see places of where the, it's a little bit patchy. And also I can like see the pigment, the little pigments of the foundation, like it's not sunken into my skin. It could be one of the reasons because the shade is not exactly right, but out of the 3 foundation shades that I tried, a sample, this is the one that I think would best match my skin tone based on my thought process. But let me just give you a quick tidbit about the foundation from the website. It says Premium Performance Cream Foundation is our most innovative formula to date. Luxurious, weightless, cream mousse texture offers sheer, moderate, or concealed coverage that lasts all day. Unsurpassed quality and beneficial ingredients like green tea and pomegranate extract rejuvenate, while aloe vera juice and coconut oil combine to naturally moisturize skin. Perfect for all skin types and sensitive skin. So far it is okay. I'm not in love with it because, like I said, the color, and also it's not really blending into my skin tone. I can see the yellow pigments on top. Now let's move on to the other side, which is the left side, where I hope you guys just remember what my skin looks like because I can't show you a comparison because I already have this foundation on this side. So just try to remember. Maybe I should take a picture. Yes, I'm gonna pause it and take a picture so I can do it side by side for y'all. I tell you, genius! This is just yellow. This is just, oh my goodness. This is just, I don't understand. I don't understand, you guys. I don't understand what is going on here. I really don't. So this is what we're working with the Stardust Foundation on this side of the face. If you guys remember what my skin looked like. Stardust, lower name. Stardust, still not bad. It's just, there are parts like right here where it's like patched up, like sticking to that dry patch. So if you have lots of dry patches, or if you're prone to getting a lot of dry patches, this might not be for you. All of right here seems okay to me. It's not bad. Read some of the claims for the Stardust Foundation. It has a lot of claims. I don't know if I'm going to read all of it because then this video is going to be really long, but let's just throw out a few. It is a natural foundation, pure foundation. This product acts as a foundation, loose powder, sun protectant, concealer all in one. The colors are rich and deep. It works for all skin types. It's like a 4-in-1 product. It says our unique formula of titanium dioxide and zinc oxide will not leave an ashy or dry look. Gives you flexible coverage, no gray or silvery appearances. The colors are great, weightless, breathable, complete concentrated coverage, and unsurpassed quality. As compared to side by side with both of them, this one, I would honestly say I prefer this one more, which is the Stardust Foundation. The cream foundation is like little to no coverage, to be honest. To me, it's disappearing again. So if you want little to no coverage, just a splash of sprinkle on your face, a little dash of sugar and spice, then this will be the one. Since I've applied it, it has looked a little bit better. I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks like it has gotten better. My skin is looking better, so I guess it needs time to warm up to my skin tone. It is looking better since when I first applied it, but it's not going to give you full coverage or medium coverage. This is light coverage. This one, I would still say it's light coverage, but it's more than this one. So all I applied on my face were my eyebrows, a light dusting of mascara, and that is it, nothing else. To me, as time passes, it's getting better. I'm smiling because I'm shocked. Like, I put it on and I hate is a strong word, but I did not like either of them. I did not like them at all. This one was just too light, but I don't know, something about as time passes, it's looking a little bit better and better. It's weird, but we'll see as time progresses. She did send me a sample of one of her lipsticks, and this is in the color Toffee Spice. Okay, Toffee Spice, come through. Let's see what's going on here. Toffee Spice. It is more of a light lip gloss than a lipstick, in my opinion. Very light. But I'm not mad at the color. I like it. It's a very sheer wash of brown on my lip. As usual, I'm going to wear these products for the entire day, well, as long as I can, and then come back later and give you guys my full thoughts about how I performed on my skin. I actually think it's looking better as we go. As we keep going, it's getting better. Let me know if you guys are seeing the same thing. Let me know, because it's just getting better and better as we go along. Like, my skin is actually starting to look good. Don't know, but anyway, right now it is 12:36 in the day. We're gonna wear it all day. I have nowhere to go. I'm just gonna stay at home, edit, clean, all that good stuff, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my final thoughts. Also wanted to mention, if you're interested in buying this product, I felt, this is the first time I felt when I was using the website, it was a little bit janky, that's the word. The website is kind of old and outdated. It's not a very modern website to use. It was kind of a little bit of a weird, like real old school website to use. Don't know if that affects your opinion. I mean, it shouldn't be about the website, it's about the product, but I just want to give you guys full transparency and honesty. The time now is 5:43 in the afternoon, and this is the face. Of course, on my nose, in the T-zone area, I am a bit oily. Just a bit. Mostly on my nose. But let me tell you guys the truth. I am so shocked, because when I first applied it, you guys saw it. It was a catastrophe. And I must say, as the day progressed, I started to fall in love with it. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I started to fall in love with it. And I honestly think the shade is not perfect for my skin tone. It can easily be fixed. Yeah, bronzer to warm up the face. Just other products can easily fix that, easily. But I am so surprised. I did not expect these results. I really thought my face was gonna look really ashy. I thought I was gonna have another situation like when I reviewed the Burt's Bees. Ooh, that was a bad situation. I thought it was going to be another situation like that, but it surely surprised me. Now let me apply the lip product again, side by side. Which foundation do I like better? This right side here was the, what side was this? Shoot. Was this the cream side? What did I do? Ooh, yes. This side right here was the cream side, and this side was the Stardust, the mineral foundation side. If I had to choose my favorite side, it would be this side, which is the Stardust side. Reason being is because it has a little bit more, just a little bit more coverage than the cream side. They're both a pretty light coverage, both of them, but I would say the Stardust gives you a little bit more than the premium. And I just like the way the Stardust look. To me, it is a little bit, just a little bit more matte. Not much, it's not matte, but it's just a little bit more matte, more of a smoother skin look than the premium. Just the premium, whatever it's called. I don't know. Name something with a P, premium something. But like I said, I was so surprised. It started, the seed, it just started out bad. It started horrible. I thought it was gonna be the worst foundation review. It just, I don't know what kind of voodoo, what kind of obia, what kind of magic, what kind of spell she put on the foundation, but somehow it just works. I don't understand it. I can't, my brain can't comprehend. I don't understand the mathematics or the equations or the scientific rationale between what happened on my face from what I saw in the pan, you know, in the pan, to what I applied, to when I swatched it. It was yellow and ugly, and then I put it on, it was all cakey and nasty, and it looked patchy at one point. Then it was, you know, patching up here, and it was, you know, streaking here. But then now at the end of the day, it looks like this. It looks real flawless. I can't comprehend it. I would say if you decide to get this foundation, put it on like a half an hour to an hour before you leave the house, if you want to take the chance. But yeah, it feels great. It was lightweight. It wasn't heavy on the skin. I did not get that oily at all. I didn't even blot, and I don't think I would even have to blot. Maybe my nose a little bit, but I can live with it. Would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it, but you have to use it with caution. Make sure you use it, test it out first, and then wait an hour, and then it will blend in nice and smooth and looks pretty. Also, the website, she lost a little bit of points at the website because it's 2018. The website is a little bit janky. It's a little bit old, outdated. And also her social media, like her Instagram, was very outdated as well. There were no recent posts on her social media sites. But other than that, foundation alone, just based on the foundation, I would recommend it because of how the outcome is. Like I said, I didn't apply anything else to my skin. It was just a foundation, nothing else on top of my skin. And that's how I'm going to be doing my foundation reviews from now on. Thank you so much, Peace and Love 75, for recommending this company to me, and I'm recommending it to you guys. But just like I said, it's gonna start off a little bit crazy, but it's gonna end good. It's gonna end real good. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.